Hello, welcome back again. Today I am working on this Evo engine. Basically, I've removed it from the car. This is an Evo 4 power unit. Basically, I've taken it out of the car because it's got a clutch failure, very common for Evos. Now basically this quick video is about removing your transfer box. Now on these, the transfer boxes are quite interesting. Basically, if you just try to undo the bolts and try to put it off, it'll come off so far, then you won't get it off any further. Reason being is because they have these little intermediate shafts, which there's one here, which go into the gearbox basically. So they're these shafts here. I'll pull this one out. I'll pull it out to there. You can see it here. And basically they go through the differential and go into the central differential basically, which is mounted in here. Now they have little spring clips on them, kind of just like the CV joints would have, and they are clipped into the actual central differential. And whilst they're clipped in, you cannot get the transfer box off. It won't come off. So basically, you have to pull them out. I've got the other one out here, which is here. This is one of these little intermediate shafts. That's from this side, so it goes in there. If you imagine that one will be in there. But anyway, to get these little shafts out, very simple way to do it. What you do, get a big socket and a nut, a long M8 bolt. Let me show you. Basically, in the end of the shafts, there is an M8 thread. Get a nice long bolt, big heavy duty socket, put it through, bolt it into the shaft like so, and then what you do, you use the big heavy socket as a sliding hammer, and then literally you strike it and bang bang pops the shafts out, and then that disconnects the shafts from the actual central differential. And then basically once you've done that, you take the bolts out. I've already got them out. I've got one of the long bolts left in the middle. You literally undo that bolt like so. So do that all the way. And so, and get it around under there. Give it a wiggle, and theoretically, off she comes. Nice and heavy. And there you go. That there is basically your central differential, and that's how you remove the transfer box from an Evo 4. I believe they are mostly all the same. I will show you the transfer box. I'll pick it up, I'll put it right in front of here. That's what it looks like. So if your transfer box looks like that, oosh, that's how you get it off basically. I believe they are the same for 4s, 5s and 6s, and then 7s and onwards they change to a new design, so I'm not too sure about them ones. But as for these ones, so you get your transfer box off, or as they call it, your central differential. So there you go. Thank you very much. Hope that has been very helpful, because they are a bit of a pain to get off. If you don't know what you're doing, they're a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. So anyway, hope you enjoyed watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and maybe watch some of my other videos and share them about. Thank you very much.